Yeah.
And I'm wondering sort of what drew you to that trip? What made you want to go to South Africa? And
Ah, I've been talking to Molly about going to Africa as a continent forever. And it's one of those things that I want to do, but I didn't know if it was going to happen. I knew eventually it would happen, but I just didn't know how or when. But sometimes you just have those ideas. And I kept talking to people. And I even met a librarian who said, "Hey, if you need somebody to go to Africa, just tell me, I'll go with you." And I was seriously considering doing that. And but I was like, no, I have to wait. I mean, I have to be patient. And I think it was 3 years ago, I was at Society of Illustrators at the opening show for the original art show, and Haley and John were there. And I don't know who, oh, Molly was talking to Haley. I hadn't met Haley yet, but we have met, but we haven't talked very much. And I am a person that it takes time to warm up to people. I take my time. So Molly turns around and says, "Hey, Juana, you want to go to Africa?" And I'm like, "What? What are you talking about? I have the perfect thing for you." And then she tells me about it, and I'm like, "Oh, God, I'm contemplating it." But I am, as I said, I need my time. So I said, "No, I can't go on this one, but I'm going on the next one." So that's how it happened. Yeah, I could not go on the first one because it's just too much thrown at me at once. I mean, just I had to see and figure it out and then learn, run all my what ifs, and have some time to figure that out. So we're going now, and then I can't wait, and I'm very excited. It will be honestly a dream come true.